something that's not too difficult but very important in Python is using data. Here is an example where we're going to enter our choice of A, B, C or D, and then we're going to print it. So if we run the program, we can enter, let's say we enter A, and it prints A. Quite straightforward, yes? What happens if we wanted to enter, instead of A, B, C or D, how about 1, 2, 3 or 4? Okay, so we're going to run it. Looks okay. Let's enter 1. Everything great. So it looks. But let's just try and let's say choice multiplied by 3. So I'm going to enter in the number 2. What do you think this is going to print? It's going to print 2 first of all, but the second print, what's going to happen? I'm going to run it. As I said, I'm going to enter 2. It gives me 2, 2, 2. Let's try it again. Enter 2. And it's given me 2, 2, 2. If I try it again and put in 4, it's given me 4, 4, 4. Why? Why has it done that? If I run it and enter A, it gives me 3 A's. So whatever I enter, it's doing it 3 times. And the reason why it's doing this is because of the type. I'm going to put in type and choice, and when I run it, we can see that if I enter number 3, it says str. Str means string, not number. If I was to say A equals 3, and then I'm going to print, let's change that to choice. Okay, let's comment this out first. So choice equals 3, print the type. You can see int stands for integer. And if I was to say 3.5, then it would be float for floating point number. So we've got string, integer and float. There is another one, and it's called Boolean. You can see here class bool. So choice equals true or false. So Boolean is true or false. Now what about our input statement? So we've got choice times 3, and type of choice. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy them, paste again, but what I'm going to do is say choice equals, and I'm going to put int choice. And what this is going to do is going to convert this choice into an integer. So I'm going to run the program. I'm going to enter 4. And we've got 4, 4, 4, 4 because it's a string. So it's the character 4, like in your phone number, 444. But when we have the number 4 times by 3 equals 12. So we can change the string to an integer. Maybe we don't know it's going to be an integer. Floating point number would be a bit safer. So imagine if we run it and we was to enter 2.5. So here we've got 2.5, 2.5, 2.5 as a string. That's a floating point number, like a fraction or a decimal place, times by 3 equals 7.5.